Today we have a 2009 C350. We'll be replacing that mass airflow sensor, otherwise known as the air mass meter. So let's get to it. Alright y'all, so to get to the air mass meter, first thing we're going to do is going to remove this cover here. After that, we're going to remove the air box cleaner. Normally there would be these intake tubes that connect to here, but obviously they swapped out for, I guess, a cold air intake for some odd reason. After you do that, there will normally also be a latch right here that you will push back. This vehicle also is missing that. So once we remove that latch, just pull upward. Also remove this hose here and just pull upward and get it out the way, which will expose the air mass meter right there, and we'll get to replacing that. So the air mass meter is actually pretty simple to replace. It's only held in by a little tab on the back right there, and then these little plastic tabs in the front. So pretty much we're just going to remove that metal tab back there, you can see it, and then pry these little plastic tabs forward and just pull it right out. But before then, let's go ahead and unplug her right here on the left side of the vehicle, the driver's side. Just go ahead and unplug it and get it out the way, and then from there we will replace it. So we've got the old air mass meter removed. Just put it to the side. Our new one right here. I'm just gonna slide it straight in, letting it clip in to the back there, as well as on these sides here. And just get it in, push it in, that's it. Alright, so I pretty much just pushed it in one hand or both my hands. Pushed into this metal tab back here, snapped into the back, and then made sure that it clipped into this little part here with the, there's like little indentions inside of the plastic here that they will have to go inside this metal piece. So pretty much it's all installed now. I'm gonna go ahead and just plug her back up. And that's it. So I'm just gonna remove this little cover here, put the air cleaner box back on, and call it a day. So thanks for watching, y'all. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.